Okay, so guys, as I was talking about the journaling thing with my team, no? So I ordered this from Lazada. Just cheap, what do you call this? Mura lang siya, but there are some stores that sell this for more expensive. But you can get this for 80 pesos in Lazada. So dito ako magsa-start to do my journaling and planning. So yung tinatawag na bullet journal. So, importante kasi yan na we're able to document our thoughts, our experiences in life, Importante yun So, nakadikit pala tong sticker na to. So, tatanggal din yan. There's a way to remove that pag ininit. So, okay. This is a 20 ring binder. A5 size siya. So there's this thing here called A5. Alright. So, you just open it like this. And, ayan, ready na siya mag-receive ng refill. So, ito, meron akong mga refill dito. Let's just say that lalagay ko lahat ito sabay-sabay dito, no? So, pwede mo nang kung gusto mo yung grid type, parang what do you call this? Math paper. Okay? Because pwede kang gumawa ng mga art dyan or whatever else, diba? So, actually, maluwag-luwag siya. So, you can just put it back like this. So, yan. Ewan ko kung dito gagalawin, pero I think it's safer to close it by putting together the rings kaysa dito mo dadalihin. Pa-open dito. Okay? Pero pa-close, I think this one. Marami na ako naging ganito before So, yan siya. You already have your bullet journal. And I think these are like 60 leaves. Tapos, judging from this, the thickness of this, okay lang tong ganito, 60. Pero I think you can still add at least up to about 100 comfortably. Sabi nila 120, pero I don't wanna push it that way na parang nakaumbok na yung notes, diba? So, this is just right. Dagdagan na lang natin siguro ng around 20 more leaves. Now, sa bullet journal, ang nakita kong ginagamit nila, yung mga dotted instead of grids. So, ako medyo sanay ako sa grids because I prefer mga math notebooks for my notes. Mas gusto ko siya yung spacing, mas gusto ko yung when I draw, mas nag-guide ako because of the because of the grids. So that's it. You can make tables, you can do drawings, mathematical drawings, you can do a lot of things with grid type. Okay. So there's a grid. Okay. Sige guys, pasensya na sa messy desk. Yan ang workstation ko. So that's it guys. That's the unboxing and assembly of the bullet journal 01. Okay, thank you guys. Bye for now. Learn well, live well. Coach Tony signing off.